Sunmoy is a factory of small water well drilling rig in China. Our drilling machine is small and lightweight. It is very easy to operate and don't need special training. It is a very good portable drilling machine for isolated area. HF260D is diesel engine hydraulic water well drilling rig, and this is a low-cost drilling machine. This portable machine is widely used for farm irrigation well drilling. The max drilling diameter is 10 inch, and the max drilling depth is 150. This machine is mainly to drill farmland soil. It could drill soil at high speed. When you encounter the rock layer under the ground, you could use a barrel to drill through the rock layer, but the drilling speed is very low to drill rock. I'm James Ye. Welcome you on the Sunmoy drilling machine. Thank you.